Hello, I'm happy to be here into the EIT Manufacturing Summit, introducing Move to 4.0, our open innovation center for the industry of the future. When we launched our activity, we made ourselves one question. Are SMEs taking advantage of the opportunities of a smart industry? And we found that often companies have difficulties to access to innovation or to integrate new technologies. And that's why we are here to prioritize innovation projects together with European manufacturing companies. More and more, we all are aware that technological disruption and globalization are challenging the competitiveness of European manufacturers. Together with 7 leading research institutions, we have conformed an open innovation network to bring the skills and capabilities required to transform existing businesses. And we look for SMEs with manufacturing capabilities willing to transform their businesses through technology or willing to diversify their offering by finding new business opportunities. We have been running this activity from May, organizing a set of workshops across Europe, and from June, we are working with a selection of companies doing individual assessments, individual roadmaps, and matchmaking with potential technological providers. Some results so far, we have organized more than 12 workshops across Europe in which more than 100 participants have been involved, and currently we are working with up to 50 companies doing their roadmaps and doing their assessments. And what's in for participants? 4 main benefits. First, to evaluate the adoption of smart industry technologies. Second, to identify challenge and opportunities. Third, to define a customized roadmap. And fourth, to be a part of an open innovation network. Those are the 7 partners involved into this activity, and we will be more than happy to get you involved with us. Please don't hesitate to check our website or sending us an email. Thank you so much.